Emagoro bengi y'umwancho murigerere bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bwo mubusiye karongwege na ritko lya uri abere ritoere kegima nabo igo kwabere go kwego kya kubwatie mirubiri yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire ritko lya Jumatano tariki 3 cy'omutienyi ogatano na gatatu umwaka n'ibwekiri bibere na meronko ebere nebere ekeroba choryo bonene mense ya Kenya bugenderete koberange ne kinga kingiye kerongo kwarigania Amayia Ensa Eyemo senchera ere yobwekeranu ekerongo koinyoria bunana bakogendera gutubwatia asensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube nigora tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News nabo igo nabo go tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News obutobwate asense mo ye website wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusangana ya mankire triane Evelyn Osero oritokubatirana nere kwenekia awekera asense mwimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabanentu ikomwerio Amayia Ensa Eyemo asenchira yobekirani gotoko yachaka kurwase county ya Nyamira awase ekiombe kya International Solidarity Foundation kyaba gekorwa amaigerio gochase ekiombe kyaba ngina kurwase ensemo ya Businya eyo gotoka tinga ewodi ya Busamarime county ya Nyamira asiboigo baba kubaigeria igoro yobubebwo buntumeki bwa mariogo yogotindia naboigo chisegi chegenga.
Hata a lot of requests kutoka kwa jamii kwamba tuongee maneno kuhusu pombe kwa sababu pombe imeleta a lot of conflict kwa jamii yetu ya hapa Kisii na Nyamira. So tuliona tushirikiane na kada kuleta hayo mafunzo kwa community. Na tuweze kuongea na wamama na wazee kwa njia mwafaka ni gani ya kuendelea kwenda mbele kumaliza hili janga la pombe kwenye familia.
Tua Samson Wambisa. Mimi ni program officer kule Nakada. Afisi yetu iko Kisumu na tunafanya kazi Nyanza kote. Katika jamii ya Nyamira tuko na shida kubwa sana hasa ya pombe ya kulevya, na hii pombe imeangamiza jamii. Na ndio maana kama serikali na tukishirikiana na wadau wengine, mashirika yasiyo ya kiserikali, tuliona ni muhimu tukuje ili tufanye chenye tunaitwa sensitization.
Abanchore rikorwa sechiro ya marigiti yo toka ime yo muchobo songo nigo banyora maigerio yo kwegendereria asemo yo bonchore ya nene kiwachinga kichoko igora echireyo awase barachiko konyeka asoko gachana boigo konya chinyeni cyaba senchirere yo bororo muri keito milred mumanyi no roboti urwa senchira yo wime
nigo yabeire omogoko monene gochiase abaunchoreria bechiro ya marikiti ime ya Kisii ase bono baigoreirwe echiro bene eyo yokonia ebinto buna chingeni amatunda gati ebinde binge eyo menyekanete buna wet market omoroberio yo oragwa no mwaziri bwoboremi Esman Onsarigo ase yabwenete kuigurwa no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii James Ongwae ase ataikirana korengana ne meroberio
lero go tolega igase marikiti Kisii marikiti ga town center ase tuarenge na abantu bakoru mesp na abantu bako implement project ya EU na Danida batokonya kwagaje gento tokoroke wet market abari bechiro bari twaruse tiga tokabatebiyo tutaite ko bagajera ngambi ya muno asokoremere mwaremereire metienye 3 lakini bono twabareteire e facility eri mwatagete mogochikonerie bintu bino asengererengia ebwata ichini engia
omonyakerogo omonene otenete ekiombe kya Micro Enterprise Support Program Trust Mesip Rebecca Muhoye ekyo kyabwaterana ne European Union ase obwagachi bwechire yo nigonere akwanera aya bakolire.
With the support of EU and a need of 10 million Kenya shillings equivalent, we have put up this structure as a demonstration to the Kisii County government that a wet market should be a structure that has all the hygiene and sanitation facilities and that can support safe handling of food to ensure that all the buyers who are walking in and out of the market have access to safe food. We have also put in place mechanisms for waste disposal, waste collection, waste management to ensure that all the waste that will be generated from this market can be recycled.
Abaunchoreria na baroboni go bagokera engane yo asebono batebire echire yo nechiko bakonya asense moyo bogachi amono bosafi
echire yeito nenyare ko bagego tokonya kigima na kugwa mono abaminto bande bali batanyare ko bago so amaiga ase nginjo eyene kiorokererio kwanto go sabanga wetro bwa matobo nyore sekana ndi to choro burai bonde mambiende na ndo bonde bagenderere to sango bwa mate buli bwa genderere na ndo buchiko genderera erire masirika mange gweta ni massive anyare ko bakago chicha erinde anyare ko bakago toroseria echiro mna uchiro goroge echire regane nene lakini abantu baito bakole ibintu bitonjera abandi bakanyara ko bakole ibintu byabase echie ase echiro ase amasingira tari amaya ase ngenjejo tonyare ko batoko ba insi echire ya muri yabuli elimo lya kisi municipal wet market ewa community abantu bonzi
eke bintu byaye asako bange bintu byaye nasako gache bintu byaye asara safi egento gya kabere amache na rororo umuntu kakolire kasibire egento keri nabo okosibie egento keri kwa none customer egento kerege safi ekerege nteke kerege safi none customer goje yate abasaya na safi ne bintu ebimbi yabire egento kende gya kabere echire yabono ntoli gochuko tweru nonye igoto goisaransa story biya nandi twasiekire bintu bitu buya bitari gusarika none gusarika
nigo baigo banyako bakwirana ringambia mono gocha sebyo mbebyo asoko bakonya echire yeiga ginko reporter ya Egetaseni Ndizi TV korwaga iga market eletariane Mildred Momanyi Miyamano morikeito Mildred Momanyi asorbotirurekeranu korwase county ya Kisii abaibuli nigo baboriwe ko barenda abana babo anene chinga kechi barenga asumutumoko obwa masomo asekeria baboriwe ko barenda anene tibabasa gutumeka ase chi campaign chinga kisiasa kigenderete ko bwata inse imense ya Kenya ayangorangana no director abweskuri oboroso ya Olympic kutoka me county ya Kisii Zakario Nduso.
Sasa huu ni wakati wa uchaguzi na huu ni wakati muhimu sana katika kipindi cha historia ya Kenya ambapo shule zote zinastahili kukaa nyumbani, yaani watoto wakae nyumbani na wazazi wao kwa kipindi mpaka hatuelewi itakuwa siku gani. Unajua tukienda uchaguzi wakati mwingine hata hatuelewi mambo yataisha lini. Lakini sasa tunaombea Kenya. Wangapi wanataka Kenya iwe na utulivu? Tunaomba Kenya iwe na utulivu, watoto wetu wapate nafasi ya kurudi shule haraka. Tunatarajia kwamba tarehe 10 watoto wetu watarudi hapa kuendelea na masomo yao baada ya uchaguzi. Kura ni kila mtu atafanya kivyake. Na kwa hiyo tunawaombea mfanye uchaguzi kwa busara na Mungu awasaidie wakati mkichagua viongozi ambao watapeleka mbele masomo ya elimu, mambo ya barabara, ujenzi na kila kitu. Ya sababu tunasema kwamba Kenya iwe na utulivu na tushirikiane wakati wote katika kufanya mambo ya masomo yaende mbele, kwa sababu kizazi cha kesho kinategemea elimu ya sasa ambayo tunaipata.
Nekera bono emirobiri yonsi yagenderete gwikirani wabo sibo bachori bonene buo mwako yiganigo ekyombe yechikanisa imense ya Kenya NCCK kyabage kwarigania umuyaga bwa masabone kyombe kyo bachori ne chimbebe IBC amo na bishop bege Catholic korawa na Bishop John Obala awase aganya babwatani be kyombe kya IBC kobwatrana na babwatani bande bonsi abo batenere to bachori kwenekia obachori iburo bwororo munyakero go be kyombe kya IBC wafula chebukati nere nigabaga kubainekere aba Kenya na obachori mboche ko
We strongly encourage you and the entire team to take the measures necessary to seal any loopholes that could lead to questioning of the credibility of the elections.
In terms of preparation, we are there. In terms of the other processes, the register was a big issue, but we have been sharing it out with all the candidates and political parties. It's available for those who need it at a small fee. We have put a nominal fee which you can now purchase the registers. All the presidential candidates, the other candidates have bought the register for the electoral units which they are standing for elections. Election is at the polling station. It will start and end there. The results will be announced at the polling station. We have allowed them to take photos of the results, those who are agents, those who are observers, and even the media. And if the available result forms will also be given out. So you'll know your result at the polling station.
Nekero bano wachire chinga kicho mwerio asaba na siasa we yakire koko akero bachorio bonene bwa isire gokorekana imense ya Kenya obomo bwa Kenya kwanza korawano yokiruruke bendera yekirugo kyoburayo bonene bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigaba agakora siasa chobo mubo ase ensemo ya Kirinyaga nabo igo kyambwe gatie chinde chinyinge ekero nagendete kuboria bananchi kumubwatia irigo chikoreta amaunchiriro imense ya Kenya umurike ito onde kikisairo norobati urwaso bwime
Obomo bwa Kenya kwanza nigo bagendererie tara yabo ime ya Mount Kenya aseganga yokoria gochekoe gwokoboko asebatarire county ya Kirinyaga omuraibu obomo obwo William Ruto niga baerera bamenyi obwo anene mona abasae omuroberi abwate gochi asebale.
Already we have 5 million young people out of school and out of college, and their challenge is that they have no jobs and they have no opportunities. We are saying as Kenya Kwanza, for the first time, we are going to have a Marshall Plan around employment, and we are going to deploy every year 200 billion shillings so that we can build our textile, our leather, our wood industry, agro-processing, value addition, manufacturing, and housing, so that the young people of Kenya can have opportunities. They can work and work for themselves and their families, and they can contribute to growing the economy of our country and growing our country as Kenya.
Ruto niga baliereira aba Kenya kucha kwene kiambache konyoro bobwenia bwabosa garache gochoro kora ense ya Kenya.
Tumesema hatutaki tena muuze mali yenu, muuze ng'ombe zenu, muuze ploti zenu ati munaenda kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Tumesema sasa tutakuwa na bima ya afya itakayojumuisha Wakenya wote ili tuhakikishe kila Mkenya anaweza kwenda hospitali atibiwe na aende nyumbani bila ya kuulizwa pesa, kwa sababu gharama ya hospitali italipwa na bima ya afya ambayo itasimamiwa na serikali ya Kenya.
Boy gordo nigamo cha serikali ye handshake asako konga kuobogima na komomochi abamelia babo asikelia goteba dibabwatio moroberio moikeranu gochi asaba Kenya.
Kabla ya handshake bei ya unga ilikuwa 90 bob. Saa hii handshake imefikisha 230. Kabla ya handshake bei ya mbolea ilikuwa 2800. Leo mbolea inafika karibu 7,000. We cannot entrust our country with to people who are operating on guesswork. We want a clear plan, and there is only one plan in Kenya, the Kenya Kwanza plan. Our other competitors have sketches and things that people of Kenya don't understand.
Kwanderense moyobolendi utoniga agikelia bali bakoburugera chibura buru na kumusaba murai bwenze Uhuru Kenyatta kubabolia abantu abo tibabaisa koleta ogweta na ime ya Kenya.
Wameanza kupanga njama ya kuchochea wa Kenya. Wana print leaflets, wana print pamphlets ati kuchochea wa Kenya waturudishe mahali pale ati ya kupiganisha wa Kenya. Nataka niwaambie vile rais alikemea huyu Kinoti wakati alijaribu kuleta ile mambo ya post election violence. Nataka rais akemee hawa wakora ambao wanataka kuwapiganisha wa Kenya kwa kutumia pamphlets na kutumia machifu wetu. Kenya is greater than any politician. Kenya is greater than any political party.
Ndiye kikisairo Ndizi TV.
Chinga kiechio nigo ababwatani bobumo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya baba kuira siasa chabo ase Orogongo rwa Western okwana sense moye gusase county ya Bungoma chinga kyabaga kumirana nabangina kurwa sense meyo omokonyi bwo mwiruke bendera yekirugo kyobura yobonene bwense wetrasobo mu bwo mathakarua nigo abaga wakera umurai bekyama kya ODM Raila Odinga koko ase atebo bunanera bye ko isaino uchakoreta mauncherero imense ya Kenya.
Taja nikawa deputy wake na running mate wake ni Raila Amolo Odinga, ndiye ametupatia heshima kwa kama akina mama. Safari hii with this nomination na vile Mungu ametupanulia milango, vile wananchi wameamuka, inaonekana inaendelea kuwa sure bet. Kwa hivyo kama wamama tutaonja hiyo ofisi, Mungu akiwa mbele. Hakuna kitu haiwezi fanyikia Bungoma pesa ya umma ikitumika vizuri. Tunasema yote inawezekana. Lazima tupambane na ufisadi. Ufisadi ndio inazuia. Hata hapa Bungoma mshanunua wheelbarrow for 100,000. Na naona kama mlipendezwa na hiyo. Na mlipendezwa, naona kama iko kura inaenda upande huo nyinyi mlipendezwa.
Ababwatani korwa sekiombe gekwegerera obwene bwa bangina nigo besokire na kwemurunganiria okuunererirwa kwa bangina anene bari bakoriya ebirogo au abyoburai nabo igo abakicukura korengana na barabo nigo ebikore byabere bikoenekiwa Asset County au gati yabo county ya Siaya, Kisumu, Nairobi, Kericho, Marsabit nabo igo Kisii ekicyabere kikoenekia ebikore byo asekerengo kyeiguru mono yendo baborire serikali koenekia bunankubekirere abasbati oburendu bwisaine chinga.
One of the major causes that hindered women political participation is election-related sexual gender-based violence. So in this regard, we felt that we needed to monitor and just know the trend of these cases and how best we can be able to address such challenges in future to enhance women political participation in all aspects. We've been able to record 745 cases so far, and the counties that are reporting more cases, I'll start with the highest, 5 topmost. Siaya has recorded 59 cases so far. Kisumu follows with 40 cases, Nairobi 40 cases, Kericho 33 cases, and Marsabit 33 cases.
Umuraiwe kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula niga tuguteirare gose akanire getambukiro gie serikali gocha gusira kiwanda yesukari yanzoya askira gateba buna egetambukire ekyo nigo getachie gokonya abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo na igotige gochia wonchoreria ebirengerero byabamenyi begesaku kya baluya gochia gochora abarai batari abokuganya kwabo.
Hiyo pesa ni yenu. There is no favor rais anawafanyia. Mulilima miwa yenu, mulipalilia, muliilinda, mulivuna, mukapeleka Nzoia, mukitarajiwa kulipwa. Mumekaa muda huu wote kuletewa pesa zenu, famili zenu zina shida, hamwezi kulipa bill zenu, watoto hawezi kwenda shule, hamwezi kununua chakula kwa gharama ambayo imepanda. Kwa hivyo hiyo pesa ikifika kwa akaunti yenu, usifikiri rais amekusaidia. Hiyo ni jasho yako na umepata jasho yako kulingana na sheria.
Waziri wa mangana yoborania Jomsheru nigaberega kwene kiabuna emerobero yonsi bosibo bochorio bonene nigo yaberege gwikirana na igo oburendi boisaine bwabere bogotingiwa gocha kwene kiabuna obochorio bwo muchikokorekana asenchira ere yo murembe nane na sensemo ya machibu kwene kiabuna amachibu amaronge aberega kwenanwa asaba Kenya.
The security teams have worked very hard to ensure that we're protecting our network in those areas, and the MNOs have been working with us. So again, those places are covered. We also have directed that the networks, no more upgrades or improvements, that we hold. This means people should not be digging up to bring cables and so on during this time, so that we minimize any network outage. Protecting the infrastructure, that is being done for the election already. So we have both the police and even KDF in certain areas, ensuring that those towers are protected. We'll make sure that if there is any fake tallies, those are going to be dealt with. I think that is what is important. If it's not from IEBC, then of course it will be dealt with. If people are bringing in misinformation, fake news, if they are coming up with their own news stations and so on, those will be dealt with.
Ababwatani be kiama kia Jubilee na baigo waipa korwase county ya Mombasa nigo bachiramo na koraria gochia kumubwatia umurwanire wekirogo kyo bugavana se county ya Mombasa wetrase kiama kia ODM Abdulswamad Nasir askere batebire buna nere oisaine gochia koreta ama oncherero anene bunare umurwanire korwase obomobwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya.
Tulikuwa hatuna governor na tukangojea mwelekeo ambao ulikuwa utaletwa na makao makuu ama chama chetu cha Jubilee. Of course ikawa communicated kwa vile tuko chini ya Azimio, governor ambao tutakuwa tuwasimama naye atakuwa Bwana Abdulswamad Sharif.
2 days only. Mtu amekuja na matatizo, you will have to serve them. So hata hao wenye kututusi, wote hao, they have their businesses here, wako na familia zao hapa. we will serve them. I will serve you as your diligent governor of Mombasa.
Tuna mkataba ndani ya Azimio. Tukiwa mkataba ndani ya Azimio, hatuwezi kukeuka ule mkataba ambao kwamba party leader wetu Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aliandikishiana na Raila Amolo Odinga.
Wikirega wano mwancho muligarirwe gitaseni kya Ndizi TV na bubu asubo mugusia na kwariganiretia senchira ere wikirano Amayia Ensa Eyemo kurinde nyorabu na chikoraga chinsa isato ayamo naenda mange no chiko yaretro na inda senchira ere wikirano endra gutwara buligariri bya ime ya Ndizi TV na bubu asubo mugusi ekara bayigongo kwenyoria na bako gendra gutobwati asensemere ya website yaito wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke na bogo tweet wetra @ndizitv news na bayiga sensemo ya YouTube ni gora tonyoro wetra Ndizi TV news na asensemere ya Facebook tubwatie wetra Ndizi TV News Digital ilio togendere gusanga na ya mange chinga chingia ekerongo kwaneria obuligereri borobo toererun ogose obuya ime ya Ndizi TV ilio tariane Evelino Sero no twakubatra nere kwenekia agwikira senseme imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura yugoncholia bwao ase television ya Ndizi